Hello children, my name is Rashi and in this video we'll be discussing about the zeros of the polynomial so that we can start with our exercise 2.2. As you know, we have completed our exercise 2.1 already of chapter number 2 polynomials class 9, right? So let's start with this topic, zeros of a polynomial. I have already discussed this with you that whenever we have a polynomial px, तो x की हम वैल्यू कुछ भी पुट कर सकते हैं उस पोलिनोमियल में टू गेट एन आंसर. सो पहले हमने x की वैल्यू 1 पुट करी, सो वी गॉट 4 पोलिनोमियल में. ठीक है, सो देन वी पुट दी वैल्यू ऑफ x एज 0. जहां जहां पे x होता है वहां वहां पे हमें वो वैल्यू पुट करनी है एंड देन वी हैव टू सॉल्व इट. सो वी गॉट -2. राइट, सो जीरोस ऑफ द पॉलिनोमियल मींस दैट जब भी हम कुछ भी वैल्यू पुट करते हैं अगर एंड में 0 आ जाता है दैट मींस दैट वैल्यू इज द जीरो ऑफ दैट पॉलिनोमियल. राइट, सो let's start with examples. It will be more clear to you. So example number 2. Now we are starting with our example number 2. So I hope this you have already written in your notebooks. So now let's continue with example number 2. So, example number 2 is on page number, again 32 page number, right? So, example number 2 says find the value of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value of variables. So, we need to find the value of each of the following find the value of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value at the indicated value of variables that we all know. So the first part is px equals to 5x square minus 3x plus 7 at x equals to 1. Okay, so now what we need to do is we need to put the value of x as 1 in this polynomial. x की जगह पे हमें लिखना है 1 now. So p1 equals to 5 as it is, x की प्लेस पे 1 square as it is, minus 3 as it is, x की प्लेस पे 1 plus 7 as it is. Right, so this will be 1 square is 1 only and 1 into 5 is 5 only. 3 into 1 is 3 plus 7. So 5 minus 3 plus 7. ये this is left. अब 5 minus 3 होता है हमारे पास 2 and 2 plus 7 is 9. So basically value of this polynomial at x equals to 1 is 9. So this just यही हमारा आंसर है and यही हमें इस एग्जाम्पल में करना है. ठीक है, so this was the first part. Coming to the second part now. So basically we are given कि हमें किस वैल्यू को पुट करना है उस पॉलिनोमियल में. ठीक है, सो इस पॉलिनोमियल में हमें x की प्लेस पे 1 पुट करना था. सो दिस इज द आंसर 9. राइट, यू कैन नोट दिस डाउन. देन विल बी स्टार्टिंग विद आवर सेकंड पार्ट. I hope my writing is clear to you. So now coming to second part. Now we have qy equals to, so second part में हमारे पास है qy equals to 3y cube minus 4y, 3y cube minus 4y plus under root 11 at y equals to 2. right? So now we need to find the value of this polynomial and we know that हमें value of y put करनी है 2. तो at the place of y we will write 2. ठीक है? 3 as it is 2 cube, right? Because y cube था, minus 4 as it is 2 because y is 2 plus root 11, right? So now we need to solve this. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 3 into 8 minus 4 to the 8 plus root 11. Now this would be 4 3s 8 3s are 24 minus 8 plus under root 11. 24 minus 8 करेंगे, so we'll get 16. 16 plus under root 11. So this is the answer now. Now we cannot further solve this. देखो हमें under root 11 की वैल्यू नहीं पता and this is also not any square, किसी का square भी नहीं है, so we'll leave it. So the answer is 16 plus root 11. This is the answer for our second part. So I hope this is clear. हम कैसे solve करते हैं इसको, just value put करनी है and then solve करना है. Okay, so this was the second part. You can note this down. Then we'll be starting with our third part. Let's start with part number 3 now. So, the third part says P t equals to 4t raised to the power 4. Sorry. So, it's 4t raised to the power 4 plus 5t cube minus t square plus 6. Yes, this is the question at t equals to a. See, now we have t equals to a. मतलब जहाँ जहाँ पे t है, now we have to put a. So p at a equals to 4 as it is, a raised to the power 4 plus 5 as it is, a raised to the power 3 minus now a raised to the power 2 plus 6. ठीक है? Now this would be 4a square plus 5a cube minus a square plus 6. यही है answer because we cannot further solve it. Yes, so this is our answer for part number 3. I hope this question is clear. This example is clear to you now. Okay. So in this example, we need to find the values of each of the following polynomials at the indicated value, and the value was already indicated to us, right? So बस वो put करना है and final answer बताना है, right? So this was example number 2. Please note this down, and then we'll be starting with example number 3. Now, example number 3. Children, example number 3 is on page number 33 of our NCERT book. Okay, so example number 3 says check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of, check whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial x plus 2. Now we are given a polynomial x plus 2 and हमें check करना है whether minus 2 and 2 are zeros of the polynomial or not. See, I already told you कि zeros of the polynomial कौन से होते हैं जब उनको put करके हमारे पास आंसर आ जाए 0. So px हमारे पास है x plus 2. Let's put first हम minus 2 put करते हैं, ठीक है. So at p minus 2 we have x की place पे minus 2 plus 2. So minus 2 plus 2 0. So it means that yes, minus 2 is the zero of the polynomial. x plus 2 minus 2 तो है. Now let's check at px equals to x plus 2. अब हम चेक करेंगे सेकेंड पार्ट क्या है प्लस 2 पे, ठीक है. So at px equals to 2 we have 2 plus 2 which is 4. अब यहाँ पे 0 नहीं आया. It means that 2 is not the zero of polynomial x plus 2. I hope I am clear now. See, check कैसे होगा जब हम उस वैल्यू को पुट करेंगे पॉलिनोमियल में we'll get 0. अगर 0 आ गया it means that yes that number is the zero of the polynomial. अब यहाँ पे 0 नहीं आया, यहाँ पे हमारे पास आया positive 4. It means that 2 is not the zero of the polynomial x plus 2, right? So this was our example number 3. हमें check करना था whether 2 and minus 2 are the zeros of the polynomial or not. So minus 2 is the zero of the polynomial but 2 is not the zero of the polynomial x plus 2. Please note this down and then we'll be starting with example number 4. Okay, so let's start with the example 4 now. Example 4 again on page number 33 only. So example number 4 says find the zero of the polynomial px find the zero of the polynomial px equals to 2x plus 1. See, now we need to find the zero of the polynomial this px equals to 2x plus 1. So what we can do is children इस polynomial को equal to 0 कर दो और value of x निकाल लो. So जो भी value of x होगी that would be the zero of that polynomial, right? See how we can solve this. The question was that find the zero of the polynomial px 2x plus 1. इसका हमें zero find out करना है. So what we can do is we can write this 2x plus 1 equals to 0 and now we can solve for x. ठीक है. So अब x हमें value of x चाहिए. So this is extra and this is extra. पहले plus 1 को shift करते हैं, transpose करते हैं. So 2x as it is, 0 as it is. अब ये हो जाएगा -1 because इधर positive था. We have transposed it to the RHS. तो अब ये हो गया -1. So 2x equals to -1 because 0 has no value. अब x की वैल्यू यहाँ पे 2 मल्टीप्लीकेशन में, यहाँ पे हो जाएगा डिविजन में. So it means the value of x is -1/2. So this is the zero of the polynomial, this, right? So okay, so x is -1/2. So we can say that -1/2. So -1/2 is the zero of the polynomial. Is the zero of the polynomial 2x plus 1. See, हम इसको चेक भी कर सकते हैं. x की प्लेस पे 2x plus 1 पुट करके, सॉरी x की प्लेस पे -1/2 पुट करके. So let's put that p -1/2 equals to 2 into -1/2 plus 1. यही है. Sorry. So 2 से 2 cancel. So -1 plus 1 which is 0. We got 0, right? So see. अब हमने 2 types of questions करे. Example 3 में हमें चेक करना था whether those are the zeros of the polynomial or not. So हमने directly उसमें put करके check कर लिया. In this question we were asked to find the zero of the polynomial this. So उस polynomial को equal to 0 रखा and value of x निकाल ली. That value of x is the zero of the polynomial because जब हम उस value को put करेंगे polynomial में we'll get 0 and वो हमने verify भी कर दिया, right? So this was our example number 4, right? Yes. So now coming to example number 5 and then we'll be starting with exercise, right? So you can note this down, children. Note it very carefully. Now let's start with example number 5, which is the last example before exercise 2.2. So example number 5 says, see, example number 5 is on page number 34 of our NCERT book, and it says verify whether verify whether 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomial verify whether 2 and 0 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. So अब हमें verify करना है whether 2 and 0 are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. So simply we'll put the values in this polynomial px equals to x square minus 2x, right? First let's put 2. So p2 equals to 2 square because यहाँ पे x square था minus 2 as it is and 2, right? So 2 square is 4 minus 2 is 4. So 4 plus 4 minus 4 is 0. So we got 0 here. It means at p x equals to 2, it means that 2 is the, so 2 is the 0 of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Now let's come to at px equals to 0. So ये हो जाएगा 0 square minus 2 into 0. 0 square is 0 minus 2 into 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is again 0. So 0 is also the square of, also the 0 of polynomial x square minus 2x. So verify whether 2 and 0 are zeros of the polynomial this. So yes, 2 and 0 are the zeros of the polynomial this. So yes, ये भी true है. दोनों ही zeros हैं because दोनों को ही put करके answer 0 आ रहा है, right? So it means both are the zeros of the polynomial x square minus 2x. Done. So we have done all the examples before our exercise 2.2 also. So please note this down and then we'll be starting with exercise. Chalo, let's start with our exercise 2.2. So in this video, only one question can be covered, question number 1. Then we will be starting in another video. So question number 1 cover कर लेते हैं जल्दी से. So exercise 2.2. Question number 1 says, find the value of the polynomial find the value of the polynomial 5x minus 4x square plus 3 at, so our first part is x equals to 0. तो हमें x equals to 0 पे इसकी वैल्यू निकालनी है. So let's write px equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3, putting the value of x as 0. So 5 into 0, 0 हो गया, minus 4 into 0 square, again 0 हो गया, plus 3. So 0 minus 0 plus 3, which is 3. So we got the value of this polynomial at x equals to 0, that is 3. Right? Very easy question. I don't think इसमें आपको मेरी need भी है. You can solve this yourself. So this is the second part now. Right? So second part is at x equals to minus 1. So again we'll write px equals to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. So at x equals to minus 1 put कर देंगे in the place of x. So this will be 5 into minus 1 minus 4 into minus 1 square plus 3 as it is. So 5 into minus 1 will be minus 5. Now see, minus 1 square. अब माइनस 1 स्क्वायर करेंगे सो माइनस से माइनस कट और 1 रह जाएगा, बट ये ऑलरेडी माइनस में है, सो दैट विल बी -4 बिकॉज -4 into 1 हो जाएगा, दैट विल बी -4 ओनली. ठीक है, सो ये हो जाएगा -5 -4 प्लस 3 माइनस माइनस प्लस 9 और साइन नेगेटिव, सो दिस विल बी -9 प्लस 3, सो दिस विल बी -6. So ये आ गई वैल्यू at x equals to -1, that is -6, right? So this was first and second part. Please note this down fast. Now let's come to the third part and the last part of this question. So the third part is at x equals to 2. So now we have to put the value of x as 2. So ये है 5x minus 4x squared plus 3 है, ठीक है. So this will be x की place पे हम put करेंगे 2. So 5 into 2 minus 4 into 2 squared plus 3 as it is. So 5 2s are 10 minus as it is 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16 plus 3. So this is 13 minus 16 because 10 plus 3 is 13. So this will be minus 3. So at x equals to 2 we have the value of this polynomial as minus 3. So this question was very simple, very easy. I hope you have already done this question. You have already solved this question. Also children, it was our question number 1 of exercise 2.2. Now question number 2, I am giving you in homework. You have to solve this question yourself, and then in my next video I will be solving it for you also, so that you can check आपका way ठीक था, आपका आंसर ठीक है या नहीं, right? So I will be solving it, but एक homework है, एक home task है आपके लिए, that you have to solve this question yourself before me solving it. मेरे से भी पहले आप solve करके बैठेंगे and then you will watch this video, right? So I am signing up here. I'll be coming up with a new video soon. Till then, practice more and more questions, right? And if you have any problem, please let me know so that I can solve it for you. Thank you.